Promotions. My name is Dylan, and today I'm going to be discussing how to use discount codes to boost your conversion rate. So, your conversion rate is based on the amount of sales that you're making. Well, let's say in this case it would be sales. It could sometimes be contacts or leads if you're not actually selling it indirectly on your website. So, the amount of let's theoretically say for now it's like sale of products. So, the amount of products that you're selling per visitor to your site. Um, let's say you're currently lagging in terms of conversion, and what are the ways to increase the conversion rate. So what we believe is a good strategy is to use a discount strategy to increase conversion rate. Of course, you'll already be doing the digital marketing elements, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, uh, email marketing, social media marketing. Once all these strategies are in place, and it's just I suppose, more of a cherry on top situation. But starting to look at a discounting strategy, and it's deciding what is the appropriate discounting strategy to pick for you to ensure that you are increasing your conversion rate. Now, um, discounting strategy is different than a sale in terms of you're not trying to associate your products with a cheaper price, or you're not trying to turn your website into a discount store, or give it that cheap feel that can sometimes tend to um, make people think that the products are of inferior quality. So these are kind of techniques that you can use to skirt around those type of ideas, keeping your brand, protecting your brand perception, while also increasing conversion rate. One method to apply would be a price drop for regular customers. If you have loyal customers, it's good to offer them discount codes. I suppose there are other elements that you can look at where you're offering them discounts in the form of items, or discounts in the form of percentages, or you can offer them some sort of referral system where they can earn tokens, or they can earn some sort of a coupon to trade with yourself. But having a good relationship with your regular customers, or your larger customers, and offering them discount codes is a great way to increase conversion. You can create a system as well, which would be basically a login system where your regular customers get a login portal to log into your website and interact from there. Special offers for pair purchases. So this is a discount strategy that, when executed correctly, can be very effective. So, for example, let's say you're buying one item, and that item is naturally paired with another item. So the one item you're going to offer out at the current price, current market price, but then you can offer a discount on a second item. So it's increasing the conversion rate, it's adding to your bottom line, and it is an effective way of getting that client to spend that little bit extra with yourselves. Um, Subscribers, discounts for subscribers is also a nice way to go. Newsletters are very effective form of advertising, especially when you're looking to clear product or clear stock from an e-commerce site. Sales, your top line sales figure is very important from an e-commerce perspective, and having stock going static is not what you want. Uh, by setting up a newsletter and offering people who subscribe to your newsletter discounts or clearance stock or promo codes, gift coupons, etc., etc., you can create loyalty, and I suppose you're kind of separating your audience there as well, where you're saying people who are looking for discounts, or let's say the more money conscious individual will naturally subscribe to your email system, whereas people who are not necessarily so concerned with money, are not looking for a deal, will just go on and buy. So you're kind of I suppose delineating the two customer types there. And that's it. Discount codes are a very effective way to increase sales for your company. When used correctly, they can, I suppose, they don't actually end up damaging your brand, and they're the takeaways there to take from that one. So thanks so much for listening or watching or reading.